Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel NEET Predictor. Today we are here with a recent update on NEET PG 2023 fee structure for deemed universities. Let's begin with Vinayaka Mission's Medical College and Hospital, Kariakal. Course, Radio Diagnosis, fees 42 lakhs, Dermatology 42 lakhs, Pediatrics 36 lakhs, General Medicine 35 lakhs, Anesthesia 24 lakhs, Pathology 10 lakhs, Psychiatry 23 lakhs, Obstetrics and Gynecology 38 lakhs, Orthopedics 37 lakhs, General Surgery 33 lakhs, Ophthalmology 27 lakhs, Otolaryngology 27 lakhs, Biochemistry 2 lakhs, Community Medicine 4 lakhs, Forensic Medicine 4 lakhs. Next, Aarupadai Medical College and Hospital, Pududcherry. Course, Dermatology. Fees, 50 lakhs. Pediatrics, 43 lakhs. Emergency Medicine, 35 lakhs. Radio Diagnosis, 50 lakhs. General Medicine, 43 lakhs. Psychiatry, 30 lakhs. Anesthesia, 30 lakhs. Pathology, 15 lakhs. Respiratory Medicine, 40 lakhs. Ophthalmology, 35 lakhs. Obstetrics and Gynecology, 48 lakhs. Orthopedics, 45 lakhs. General Surgery, 40 lakhs. Otolaryngology, 30 lakhs. Community Medicine, 4 lakhs. Pharmacology, 5 lakhs. Thank you for watching. For more updates and information on NEET PG 2023 counseling, do hit the like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.